When in doubt, send it out. When in difficult times, send it. Lean on strength, on thee. The moment you're about to succeed is when you want to fail the most. I just spent 2 days and still and counting right now fasting because I eat based on my goals, instincts, life vision. We haven't had food in the house today. Even I'm positive we don't have any still for me, and this isn't the first time though. Yesterday wasn't the first time that I had to go through a little struggle. I was tired and was expecting after a day before that, because I didn't eat yesterday, to fuel my body, go to Planet Fitness and all that, but I did not go to Planet Fitness because didn't have the food situation. You gotta adapt though. So I did construction work right over there yesterday while fasted, and still adapted, still got through the day just with no food. It was very mentally daunting, but I still managed yesterday to do what I love, because every day is another day to be better than yourself of the yesterday, to do what you love. Every day is an opportunity to be liberated. The wand. So, although I write blogs, do things I love, really de-stress me, use my God-given talents, it doesn't get the reach. For this video, I highly suggest you go to the Will Sending in Corey's work video I just made, and this reach that I really want is just not happening. Though, when I make blogs and other things, they at least solve one person's problem. If a person has a problem, then I'm enabled to write a blog on it, and I easily do it, and I like doing it, or make a video on it, and in hopes that it will reach not just this one person, but numerous people. Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. So basically, I start small. Maybe with this tone, and then maybe with this tone, maybe with that tone. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. I'm so enough, you are so enough, that we've eaten off our goals, thrived. I have my physique goals right now. I have flip goals that I'm experiencing, that I've reached, that I can see. Intellectual life vision goals that bring up all the aspects of my life. 'Cause more than enough.
Boy, if you don't get...
How did you know?
You have dominion, self-control to do everything. Seriously. Less or more stress. So you actually have less stress not eating in the day, or more stress. So it's easy when you desire to fast and reap the health benefits. You'll have a testimony. It's easier. You just have to command the body to obey. Actually adapted and have been adapting, hopefully, anticipating a lead. I've been fasting and happy. Why? It might be a little painful sometimes, but I know that the next day is going to be great. I can get through one day. Self-control. I have that. Commitment. Full commitment. Send it. Birdflock. Send. Oh, what the heck? Birds really don't get the worm every day. I have legitimately been adapting though. Experiencing the harshness of life. Anything worth your time takes more than a day. Don't put off tomorrow what you can get done today. Go to know.